beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Hello everyone, so my name is nurul rahmawati and my student number is 251-304-2031, and today we will talk about compound noun and idiom. So let's start to the explanation. So the first one is compound noun. Well, a compound noun is a noun that is made by combining two or more words into one unit to create a new meaning. For example, toothbrush, bus stop, and mother-in-law. So, the meaning comes from the combination, not just one word. There's also three types of compound nouns. The first one is clause form. It is written as one word. For example, notebook, sunflower. The second one is hyphenated form. It is connect with a hyphen. For example, mother-in-law, well-being. The third one is open form. It is written as separate words. For example, ice cream, post office. For the function, compound nouns are used to name things more specifically, more language and more efficient, and to avoid long explanation. For example, instead of saying a brush for teeth, we say toothbrush. Let's move to idioms. So, idiom is a phrase where the meaning cannot be understood from the literal meaning of the individual words. There are four types of idiom. The first one is pure idioms. The entire phrase is figurative, so no direct link to the literal words. For example, spill the beans means reveal a secret. The second one is binomial idioms. It is when the two words link by a conjunction, forming a set phrase. For example, pros and cons, who have the same meaning as advantages and disadvantages. The third one is partial idioms. It is a shortened form of a longer idioms released heavily on a shared context. For example, speak of the devil. The meaning is the person appears. The last one is prepositional idioms. It is when a verb preposition combine to create a fixed non-literal meaning. For example, call off. It is mean cancel. And then what is the function? So idioms are used to make speech more natural and expressive, add color and emotion, and also make us sound more like a native speaker. The difference between these two are compound nouns are two or more words combined to form a new noun with a literal or specific meaning, while idiom are phrases whose combined meaning is figurative and entirely different from the literal meaning of individual words. I think that's all from my explanation. Thank you for watching. See you!